Yeah, people, welcome back to another video. In this video I present to you roast stuffed fish with callaloo. So now we're gonna get our vegetables chopped up. Right now we have sweet pepper, red and green. Just about a half of the sweet pepper. Bell peppers. We have our scallion. We have a white onion, a half of a white onion. Then we have 2 tomatoes. So I'm going to show the full length of the video. This is 3 cloves of garlic. I'm going to show you the full length video, nothing cut out. I'm going to show you exactly how I make this red snapper fish in the oven, stuffed it with callaloo. Okay, so we're gonna stir fry our vegetables. Bell peppers first, white onion, scallion. Yeah, I'm on. Scotch bonnet pepper and thyme. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt to that to make it sweat a little bit. After this we're gonna cover it, let it sweat out, let it get down a little bit soft. Callaloo in a can, so we're just trying to make the callaloo taste a little bit better, you know, with the fresh vegetables. Very simple dish. Watch till the end of the video and you'll know how to make this. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of black pepper, just a little bit. Building flavors. Now we're gonna go in with 2 cans of callaloo, drained of all liquid that comes in the can. After we get this mix up, we're gonna go in with just a little bit of onion powder and a little bit of garlic powder and a little bit of adobo seasoning. And that's it, guys. It's finished. You don't have to cook this for long. It's callaloo in a can. It's already cooked. You don't have to cook this along. Now we're gonna get right along, and we're gonna make our fish seasoning. So we're gonna add 2 packs of Maggie's fish seasoning. We're gonna add just a little bit of Maggie's jerk seasoning, black pepper, salt, garlic powder, and onion powder. So this is our fish seasoning. Get that nice and incorporated, get everything mixed up. And yeah, guys, we're almost at our first goal, which is 100 subscribers. So if you're watching this video and you support this channel, just subscribe. So here we have 4 red snapper, washed it in lime and water. So we're gonna make some slits into the fish, as you see there. You're gonna do that on one side, do it on the next side. I'm gonna make 2 slits. In these slits, we're gonna make sure that we get some of the seasoning down in there. Get the seasoning inside of the fish, inside of the belly, inside of the head. Get some flavor in there. And we're gonna do this for everyone. Same on the other side. Make sure we get the seasoning down in that slit. And we're gonna get that flavor into the fish. So now we're gonna stuff the fish. We're gonna get foil paper, and we're gonna get butter, and we're gonna rub it on the bottom of the foil paper just so your fish don't stick once it's cooked. You're gonna spread the butter throughout the entire foil paper. Alright, see if you know. Now we're gonna get our fish and we're gonna stuff it. We're gonna make sure we get some into the head and into the belly. You can put as much as you want. Very, very simple recipe. See, I'm checking if it needs more. Stuff it in and put 1 more spoon. And we're gonna seal this. We're gonna wrap this up. Wrap it up nice and tight. Make sure that when we wrap it up, no steam gets out. When the butter melts, it doesn't run out inside the oven. Fold your sides. And then we're just gonna put an extra layer of foil paper. Alright. You catch the style by now, right? Alright. So now we're gonna do this for the remainder 3 that we have. Gonna spread your butter. Gonna get going. Do this one a little different. We're gonna put some callaloo down first. We're gonna make a bed for the fish, nice comfy bed, and we're gonna lay the fish down on that, and we're still going to stuff it. So if your fish is too small, can't fit a lot of callaloo, just make a nice bed for it. Now it's all done, and we're gonna put these in the oven at 375 degrees, and we're gonna leave them in there for about 30 to 40 minutes. Alright, so after 30 to 40 minutes, everything is done. Check it out. Very simple. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like the video and you subscribe to the channel. And thank you for all your support again. And just enjoy. Ray Tansa Kitchen. Tansa in the kitchen. Yeah, man.